Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about the function of stems. What do you think will happen to a plant if we were to place it in colored water? Pause and discuss. Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a celery stalk with leaves, blue food dye, an empty container, and a pair of scissors. To set up, fill up half of the container with water and add a few drops of the blue food dye into the container. Swirl the container to mix the water and food dye together. Then, use the pair of scissors to cut 3 centimeters off the bottom of the celery stalk. Finally, place the stalk into the container. We are now ready to leave the celery stalk in the beaker for 2 days. After 2 days, remove the celery stalk from the container. What is the color of the leaves? Pause and observe the color of the leaves.
The color of the leaves changed. The leaves of the celery stalk turned blue.
That's right. Next, let's cut the stem and observe the cross-section of the celery stalk. What color do you observe inside the stem?
The inside of the stem has the same color as the food coloring. It is blue as well.
Yes. The stem transported the colored water up to the leaves. This causes both the inside of the stem and the leaves to be colored as well. In general, the stem of a plant helps to transport water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to other parts of the plant. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.